If you feel overwhelmed trying to manage all your accounts on social media, you're not alone. Many people struggle to keep up with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. But don't worry, there's an easy way to manage everything faster and smarter. So in this video, we're going to share the best social media management tools for 2025 that are going to make your life so much easier. So, imagine how much time you could save if everything was organized and scheduled for you. Here are 5 tools to help you. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1, Hootsuite. Great for managing multiple accounts in one place. You got number 2, Buffer. Okay, plan and schedule posts like a pro with Buffer. Number 3, you got Sprout Social. Helps you track your social media growth. Okay, you got Later. Perfect for Instagram posts and stories. And you got Zoho Social. It's a super smart tool for teams and businesses. I'll put them in the description. Check out these tools. These tools can save you time and increase your engagement and help you to, basically grow your online presence. All right? So now it's time to take action. Don't let social media stress you out anymore. Start using these tools today and watch your online strategy take off. All right? So if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.